This video will cover a feminist theory on why men rape women. I will go over how men have more power over women and how to show dominance in instances that they do not have more power over women. I will also go over how in societies with higher rates of gender equality have high rates of men raping women. Feminists have a theory as to why men rape women that is completely based on the effects of sexual inequality within a society. Men generally have greater physical, political, and economic power than women. Men have greater physical power, where they have 75% more muscle mass and 90% more strength than females. Political power, and where women serve as executives in only 22 countries, and 119 countries have never had a woman leader. And economic power, in which women earn only 82 cents for every dollar earned by men. Notice that men do not have a greater sexual power than women, as sex is usually a consensual activity, and women are able to say no. Rape serves to ensure and maintain sexual inequality, with the males in the position of power. After a rape, the man also now has greater sexual power over a woman. Male dominance is a key feature of rape-prone societies. Researchers have found that rape rates are especially high in colleges that highly value masculinity and male dominance. Susan Brownmiller is a major inspiration for this feminist theory. She says, rape is nothing more than a conscious process of intimidation by which all men keep all women in a state of fear. Although never explicitly stated, she seems to mean that dominance seems to be a primary reason for rape. One critique of this theory is that not all men rape, and not all men rape with the sole purpose of intimidating women. Some men rape to relieve sexual frustration, and some have psychological issues, such as emotional disturbances, that result in their willingness to rape. There is also a social psychological theory of sexual permissiveness that seems to refute the feminist theory. As a woman has more of a say over her own sex life within the society, the inevitable rejection a man might encounter by a woman gives a wave of frustration and feels like a personal attack, causing the man to retake his position in power and commit rape. And lastly, there are higher rates of rape in societies with higher gender equality.